Hello, today we are going to continue our JavaScript phenomena. Okay, we open our folder at the PDF folder. Now it's coming. Okay, we are continuing our function. Untitled function. Firstly, we declare about the function. So I comment this one. Untitled function. CLAITM1 declaration in my function and CLG console log lower. Save as this will get the error. So now we should go to the HTML and open with live server. Coming. So open our console F12 or first function F12. So now I just solve it there. It will not log out and also crash the error. So we are going to continue this one. In our function, it have to call back. So function. Now we save it. Go to the Chrome. And now log out and error is gone. Hello world. So it means function have to call back. Function and comment this out. My function return hello Steven. Hello Steven. And under this one we log out there. CLG main unctl and main function control F save. Now we get hello Steven. It's what the same thing. So I comment this one and write another way. In our function we can declare at console also. Use function my function. This I put first name. Return hello first name CLG console log my function. Inside there we put John. So now we got hello John. So if you don't want to put there, so there is can change easily. So you can change like this one. You can use this type of function. This is not the only one letter we can put in there. Not only one word. So under this one, this will be last name. Last name and Smith. Control S. So now log out hello John Smith. So we can do like this also. In our function we also have the default function. We can create the default first name and last name. So I comment this out. Untitled function. Now I put full name and declare as you wanna declare the name of function. So now I make a default function FRIST first and AME name first name is equal to now Steven TEVEN Steven. Last name SMIT Smith. Return my AME name is T-E-V-E-N Steven. Sorry, shoot first name and plus our last name. CLG. And now our function name is full name. So now catch the error. Sorry, this should be in the string. Only one single quote for me. Okay. Now my name is Steven Smith. So this can override. This is only for the default name. For the first name, Sarah. For the last name, William. Save. This should be in the string. And now my name is Sarah William. So you can make a default name and last name. So this sentence I will comment this one out. Return my name is first name space and last name. To save. We got the same thing. Now I comment this out. My UNCTI and my function is equal to okay. My friend only. There is my function name. There we put our name. T-E-V-E-N Steven. And another one is a SMI should be in the string. And CTL1 function my WNCTL1 my function. Inside there IETU and return my full and AME name is this one. FRIST first name. Or we forgot to make the clear inside there. FIRST first name. The second one is last name. And this should be FI first name space last name. So now we log out. CLG log out my friend. We already declared this one, so we log out in there. My friend and save. We got the same thing. My full name is Steven Smith. So what type of function you want to use, you can use this. I copy this one and comment out. Now there I'll put 3 for this X, for this one Y, this one X, Y. I change the tag also. TOTAL total PRIC price. So save. Total price is 3-4. So it's wrapped in the string. So if we don't wanna do like this one, so we remove the string. Should be only the number. Inside there, we can put plus sign to save. Now we got 7. We can multiply. Save. We get 12. So we can do at the mathematics. Now we are going to continue immediately logout function, callback function, not logout. UNCTI1 function CLG ELL hello ORL DWOR hello world. In this immediately function, so we can wrap in the bracket should put like this, and we can call in at there. So we hit save. It's log out hello world. This is one kind of the design of function. In this function also use can add the above function. So uncti1 function crg before I log is 1. I want to put first name first name, last name, my name is first name and a last name as the callback. So we can put our name Steven, comma as MIT Smith, save. We got the same thing. My name is Steven Smith. You can use what kind of function you want to use. So I'll comment this one. C1stcon t tag is equals to function 1 uncti1 function and crg hello. So now we should call in there. Our function name should be this one function name. We didn't put in the behind of function, so we put in the front and declare the tag dog function like this one and log out. So we got the arrow similar at the arrow function. Arrow function we should put like this uncti1 tag and it's equal to this kind of function. We remove the function, we declare it arrow function crg arrow uncti1 function and call back this one. Tag save. Oh, you should put the bracket at the callback. So log arrow function. At the arrow function, we can do like this kind of function also. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and for the name, Control C, Control V. We hit save. So we got the same thing. My name is Steven Smith. My name is first name. My name is first name, last name. In our function, mostly we log out at the inside the body. So now I remove this comment. We have empty paragraph id, my id. So my function name, my function. Save. Before we do anything, our function cannot click. It will get the error. So we go to create our function. I will use the arrow function uncti1 my function document get element by id my id dot inn inner HTML. I click view TTON button and click button. So now it will out the log out the inner HTML. We don't need to call back in there, so we already call back at the our button. We put include this ID should match with this ID. So we hit save. Our function name should match with our one-click function name. So we log out. Now when we click it, it will come out. And click button. Reload. It's working. Now we are going to see array method. ARRAYS array. Array we should declare like this one. Array sentence FRUNTS fruit schedule MNGO mango EPPL apple ORAANG orange CLG FRUNTS fruit save fruit. So we got our array. For the mango index is equal to 0, 1, 2. The length is 3. The index is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So we can post at the fruit fruit index of 0, 0. We can put it banana. Okay, save. So now we look at the console. The mango is gone and we got the banana. So we reassign it. The index 0 is equal to mango. Like that. And comment this one. Control C. And log out. CLG log out FRUNTS fruit dot LENGT len save. So we log out the len 3 for the len 1, 2, 3. Okay. We can also log out the name field. CLG FRUNT fruit index of 1. So this is index of 0, this is index of 1. We hit save. So I get the apple and copy down. Inside of the fruit dot LENGT len -1. So if it's -1, it will log out the orange because it comes from the behind. If we log out -2, it's got the apple. Or -1 come from the minus sign come from the -1, -2, -3, like that. And comment this one, len. LENGT len method. This one will be push method. FRUNTS view is equal to first BANANA banana save and CLG. So mango, apple, orange, and banana. So we put banana deep behind of the orange. You can comment it. FIUNT fruit index of 5 is equal to, we assign this fruit again, index of 5 lemon. So we go to C, and case the lemon is not defined, so this one should be in the string S. Now mango index of 0, index of 1, index of 2, and index of 5. So index of 3 and 4 is not have it empty, so it's why log out empty. Comment this out. RAN warning that FIUNTS fruit is equal to empty array. F fruit index of 0 B mango index of 1 apple index of 2 orange. So we CLG FIUNT fruit save. So we got mango, apple, and orange. So if we log out like this one, it's not problem. Another one, we can call Control C this one and Control V. Is orange. So we hit save. We got the first fruit mango, second fruit apple, and third fruit orange. Is not have the index, so the line is also not have. So when we log out and comment this one out, CLG IUNT fruit dot en len. So it's log out 0 because it not have the len. And CLG FIUNT fruit index of 1 into asset. So it's undefined because it's not count the index. It's count first fruit, second fruit, and third fruit. So it's a different thing. And another one warning. So I copy this one. C Control V. Out of the command CLG TYP type of IUNTS fruit. We call this array sign, but when we log out type of is we log out objects. So when we action is this one CLG console.log ARRAY dot is array. So FIU freeze. This one is mean to, so we add this one array is array, so it's array, but the type of will be 0. And another one CLG FIUNTS fruit in TN CE instead of ARRAY array to add save. So the two fruits instead of array, So it means truth. So it log out truth. Now we go to theory method. In our array we can join together. So FRUIT_join join. We can join like a space. Then CLG we can join like this one. Mango, apple, and orange. This symbol, Control C. We can join with plus sign, and we can join with space. So we can do and comment this one. Now come to popping. POOPING popping. UIT3.p. We assign the fruit again. CLG FRUIT fruit into accept. So now is the last index is con. So see, mango apple we got only one. Only two of this one. The pop means remove the last one. I will comment this one. Remove last index. REMOV remove as last index. When we log out, what it is removing, so reassign it again. Remove fruit is equal to P IUNTS fruit dot POP pop. We should comment this out and reassign the most fruit. CLG EMOV remove UNT press the pop means it take out the last index. So now we add what it is you remove. So it's when log out orange. Okay. This is the opposite of push. FIUNT fruit dot PUSX push. REMON remon. CLG UNTS fruit. Because for array they are opposite. It is at E N T and this pop is removed at the end. So this push is add to the end. Comment out. We also have unshift. To away face is one. IUNT fruit dot unshift. LEMON lemon. CLG FIUNTS fruit. So lemon is come first. It means the food add to the end. The unshift add to the front. The front. Unshift DELETE 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 FIUNTS freeze index of 1 we choose the apple one and CLG fruit as fruit. So now the apple is empty because we already delete that one. Okay. Now we go to C split. fruit as fruit dot plnc split 0,1 g fruit as fruit and his save. So the mango is gone. Apple and orange. So it's the start number. This is the count number. So we can comment this one start stat and ber start number and remove remove na. Yeah, remove number. Remove two number. Save. Remaining the orange. So remove two number. Mango and apple. fruit as fruit dot plnc split 2 start from number 2 and 0 1 lemon ana banana to save. So we comment this one. Save. Add to the apple and add lemon and banana because we start from the 0. So 1, 2 is that behind 2. What I mean by start number and remove number. So we can copy this down and comment this out. 2. So save. The orange will be gone. So it's gone because of the start number is 2 in that. So remove number is 2. Start number is 2, 1, 2, and we start behind this one. If we put the 0, is where input the in the middle of this one. This is remove number, so is where if have 1, where remove 1. If have 2, where remove 2. So make sure you understand. Okay. Now we're going to concat and copy this one. This is our car name, and this is we will cut the concatenation as cart cast list name. Car list equal to car1 dot un cat concast car2 and we console out. I still list save. Is where concast is where link together. So it's 40 concat. And we also concat with tag. unstcon ark list list ark1 dot concat tag. We should put space. Save at. So now we got the new one, new array, new objects inside the array. This is 40 concat. Slide. unstcon and new array is equal to car dot and this is equal to 1 CRG and it will new to save. Was it is different? Do you see any different thing? So it's like 1. The upper is gone. This one is this one is okay. Comment this one. It's like 3. Save. And the first 3 is gone. We can slide between 1. So okay, I will show you. I'll change to 2 and 4. Control S, save. Between nodes including index, slide number, and take number. It's take 4 number and slide 2 numbers. To at the ing string and st con here car. We take our car again. We CRG to CRG dot to string. This is coming string, not array. So this is for toString. We already declare at the toString at the front. We already talk about the toString many times at the first video, so you can look back at the first video. Now toString. Paste there and FIUIT previous doc. So artist sort CRG FIUIT previous Control S. Sorry, we save it and previous already been declared. Okay. And wish save again is log out from the Apple is sort from the A, B, L, M, O is sort come from the A. If we can sort report to V and FIUIT is freeze doc E report to save is start from the C to the A. If we don't put the source root, so it will report banana to the front and mango to the last one. Save. See? Okay, make sure you understand. You can also sort the number 1 is equal to array and number 1. So inside the function FUNCTR, inside the function A, B is equal to return A to B, and console log G log NUM number 1, save. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start from the 1. Okay. If we comment this out and copy this one, we set and change B to A to save. So start from the Greek big number and the biggest number. We also have the random sort. So we return .5 that mat.random random save. Or it will be random. When we reload again, it will be random number. We comment this out. So now we go to the min number and max number. Use function max and this one num1 we already assigned there, so we can use it. ietur and return a tmax.apply comma NUM1 save and CLG num save at. We got the error. Sorry, we have to mess up NUM number 1 also. Okay, we got the max number. Now we also have the min number. And min. This one will be min. One will be NUM min save at. We got the smallest number. This one we log out the largest number, and now we only see the smallest number. Okay, this is for the array. Next we are going to see the date. So I will copy the form, Ctrl V, CLG and to save. Cache. What is it? Sorry. Yeah. Monday, July 26, 2021, 8:23 minutes, 1 second, and time zone Indochina time. We can also assign as we want on STCon A schedule. EW DAT date 2021 7. Today is 26. Now I want to put 27. We can change the day also. 7 and 9 hour 9 hour, 9 o'clock, and 15, 30 second, and 0 millisecond, and his shape is working 27 okay. Okay, we can change the date for the new date also. You can read at there. We can assign like this. We can use like this one. We can create the design of order as we want to order. So we go to the next get method. We have get full year, get month, date, hour, minutes, second, millisecond, time zone, and get day, date dot now. We assign it to O and con t date is equal to new dat date new date. We assign or reassign. If we do like this one, clg dat date, we can get the now date dot now. So we can get specifically, we can get full year, we can get the month, we can get the hour. Control C, Control V. Command this out, save. We got the specific date. July is 7, but in JavaScript they count from the 0. January is 0, so July will be the 6. And the date dot now 26, and the year is full year. So now this is where we cut date, cut hour, cut minute, cut second, and millisecond. Yeah, minute, hour, millisecond, and cut this time zone, and cut the day. Today is the Monday, so Sunday will be 0. So Sunday 0, Monday will be 1. So you can count like this one. Okay, you could time by yourself. And comment this out and copy this one. Also comment this one. Then on the date is equal to the new date, new date, 0 and st con DAYST SUN sun DAY day Sunday. CLG DA one day DAT date dot G get DA one day get day will print out today. Today is a Monday, so it's print out today, Monday. We not only have the cut method, we also have the set date. So this is very useful. At the we create the project. We have set date, set full year, set hour, set minutes, set month, set second. So I create a new date. So GNST con DAT date. The new DAT date CLG. When I log out, text is where log out today. So we set a new text. So we GLG text and comment this out part. So today, this year is 2021, but I set to 2022. It's plain out 2022. The above sentence is logged out in there. So I comment this out. Okay, we can put year and month and the date also. So we hit save and go to print out. We got the April. One we put number 3 because C0 index is January, 1 index is February, and 2 index is March, and 3 index will be the April. So we can set month is April. Okay, now you can try. Okay, now we go to see the condition. So when TINTINS condition and stcon AOUR however is equal to 8, and this will have if statement at the condition. If AOUR however is less than or equal to 12, equal to 10, okay, equal to 10, we say something. We put this is greeting is equal to GO or good or RNING good morning. Good morning. Control ask CLG control log GIEETINING greeting save. So it is the truth is set good morning. If we put is 11, this 11, so is we got the error. Is not less than or equal to 10. So this can put condition less than or equal is only. So we copy this one, comment this out, and another we also have if else GIEETING greeting not MORNING not morning into S one which put this 11, so it will print out not morning. Okay, we comment this one and we type another one. stcon however is equal to 15. If we put the condition however is less than or equal to 10, return GIETINING greeting good MORNING good morning. el SEL, another condition, OURY less than or equal to 20, return back greeting into the good day, good day. LGREETING greeting, good evening, good evening. L, okay, this L we should put it if in the behind. L if another condition. So now we can see LGREETING greeting. So hour is 15, so it's less than 20, between 10 o'clock and 20 o'clock. So this will bring good day. We go to see good day. If we change this one to 22, save as and good evening. Okay. This is for the basic condition if L. Now we go to C strict statement at the CH strict. IT let day. We sign it at the CH strict and EW DAT take dot G ticket day and CA as case 0 day is equal to at UN day Sunday. We should have break. So we put inside there. So now I console.log CLG console.log day is plus day. Save. Today is Monday. So it will count the date dot now, date dot today. If index is 0, it will Sunday. If in the case of 1 is will be Monday. In the strict statement, this day we can set by our day, day. So if we assign it is equal to 6 to accept, it will print out Saturday. So today is Saturday because the condition we know and our number case of 6 is equal to Saturday is will print out Saturday. After one T 6 strict FIUNT proof is good. As case of APBLE apple CLG FIUNT proof is equal to it APBLE apple EAK break and C as a case of MANGO mango CLG first is MANGO mango PIAK break C as case orange orange clg uint fruit is orange orange. So this condition, now the condition coming, we have to assign it an st con fruit fruit is equal to orange orange. The condition fruit, this fruit is equal to orange, so it's equal to orange. We should have break save. No. So in this one we have to make sure it's inside of the single quote is saved. Now it's working. Fruit is orange. So we also have the default default case clg uint is not applif upper, not mango and orange orange. So if we put there lemon shape, it will print out default fruit is not apple, mango and orange. It's none of this condition, so it will print out the default condition. So now we go to for loop. We comment it out. Con fruit as fruit equal to mango, comma apple orange and lemon. This should be in their single quote. For also have the condition let I is equal to 0, equal to 0 index is correctly to C to understand. Value int as fruit dot len gth len I plus clg log I. When we print only I, it will be in the number, because we have 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, so it will print the index number. clg, we type of some tag uint fruit is flat uint as fruit index I. So if we put I, it will print out fruit is mango, fruit apple, fruit is lemon. So when we put some of, okay, I will copy this down, comment this one, equal to 2, is we will get the orange, fruit is orange. So this is for the for loop condition. We can not only print in the inside, so we can also log out at the outside. So I'll comment this one, so I'm delete and take off this. If the condition I is equal to true, it should clg banana Now CLG will print out all our fruit. IUIT fruit dot I. If the index is 2, print out banana. So 0, 1, 2, it print out banana. In our real array have only 4, but insert banana is 5. In another condition, Control C this one and print out this one. If we not print out this one, EREAK break save. So it means if index 2 is, we have to break. So mango apple and the index is 2, we not print out at the behind is break. So we break at there. I'm trying to understand. Now we have loop in. Loop for and in loop for in. CONSTCON and UMBERS number is equal to okay 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5. UNSTCON assign PEO PLE 4 JON JOXN John Ito John Doe TE VN Steven SMITX Smith Sarah William. For utility I is inside in NUMBR number, return CLG NUMBR number I to save is will print out all. Same as every print out the people to D O P L E people. So it will print, it will log out John Doe, Stephen and Sarah William. This is for loop in. The same as this one. We have the for each and UMBR number dot for each UNCTLN machine VALU value to CLG ELU value to save is where loop out all of the number. Comment this down the value to T this way that PERSON person did we already assign people PEO PLE people save and we loop out John Doe. It's work the same thing for loop in and for each. PEO PLE people dot for each UNCTLN function PRSON function that ARR AY array This is for the value for the index for the array. When we log out the g console.log out int index person to s 0 is 0 index will be John 1 index Stephen Smith, 2 index Sarah William, and we can also for it loop out our array. Comment this one clg $sign array array and enter save. So we loop out our index 3 times our array. So we have this array, so it will loop out. Our index is 3, so it will loop out 3 times. So print out our array. This one. Now we are going to see the loop while loop. So name this one. And copy this one. See, away, and comment this 2 lines. That's I is equal to 0 and wai I less than 10 clg so log I plus. So the 1 I is equal to 0. The condition I less than 10. We should also another condition. This one we should increment of I until it's nearly to 10. So control save 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I start from the 0 because if we let this to be 5 to add save, it will start from the 5. So trying to understand. We have while. Now we also have 2 while loop. So to while till let I is equal to 5. So to clg con I plus wal y and condition put in the behind 10. So save is work the same thing, but into while loop if we put the greater than 10 is the print out log out. So I comment this one and comment this one. In the while loop, if we put this to 100, save, this will not work. But comment this one. Now we go to the map, maybe map to. We assign this one for the user. So ID of 1 is Steven, ID of 2 is John, ID of 3 is Sarah. 3 objects inside the array. const id is equal to user user.map unctl grand function user user and and return user.id clg console log and this, so it will console log their id in the array. This user.id, if we put into C, comment this one to V, if we put this to be the name and am in name and am in name, no, it's not looking good. You as a user and am in name username, this also should be username and am in name, and this we print out name user.name, so loop in throughout the Stevens and John and Sarah. If we put nothing, we console.log clg user as user, so it will print out the array. Inside the array have the objects id and name field. So this is for the condition. I comment this all. This now we are going to see the scope. scope is scope. In this scope we have global scope G, be a global, scope is scope, where var x is equal to 1, it let y is equal to 2, then st c is equal to 3. We console log clg g o al global scope scope f comma y comma c save global scope 1 2 3. And now global scope is done. And put in if statement TIUE to if 2 to be this will be 4 5 6 and CLG BLOC block and COP scope is comma X comma Y comma C. We save and see. This one global scope value is changing, so it means in the block scope in for the var the value can change, for the let and the value cannot change. Now we come to the function scope un function un ctl my function Control C Control V read the command and clg functl1 function as cop is scope is, or we forgot the single quote and then space a little bit x, comma y, comma c. So our function have to call back. So my function to save. Now global scope it didn't change. When we assign in our function, it will not affect it to the global scope. When we assign the block scope, the var variable value can change in the var. When we use var, when we use let and con, it cannot change. So in function scope, whenever var, let, con cannot change, cannot affect to global scope. So trying to understand it, this one. So now our JavaScript fundamental is finished there. Next video I will go to the DOM. The DOM is make it to the action like a document. When we use the function, so here I go to the about. Take dot now function. Add there. So we will use document dot get element by id. One click button is will output the inner.html. Inner HTML is will put inside there. Inside these places, when we click, is will done our action. So make sure we understand this video and the previous video. So for the fundamental, we have two video file. The first video fundamental and second video fundamental. In the next, I will go to the DOM. So if you understand these two video and the DOM is really easily to understand. If you did not yet understand and keep going watching the DOM, it's a little bit difficult. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, don't forget, if you want to learn about the DOM and about the project, so please subscribe and hit the bell. When I upload it, you will see it notification. Thank you.